Hello, this is Houston Bennett with Java Fundamentals, the very first video. Not sure what to call it. So we're supposed to go through the rubric and see and show what we did meets those criteria. The first one here, the application is structured efficiently and with proper methods and constructs. I used all the proper methods and things to get everything done, of course. As you can just kind of see, it doesn't work if you don't use the proper methods, right? Although it's kind of ugly. I should have gathered a lot of this stuff into its own method and probably have those methods in their own little class, if not their own package. So I think just the 75% on that, to be quite honest. I'm not too happy with the overall cleanliness of the code. The user input, the application accepts user input for text entry, the proper views and input methods. I just used text. This first one is a name field. I found it here in the text fields, I think it was. Person name. One of those. Use the right buttons. Input methods. I'm not quite sure what that's supposed to mean, but I think that's talking about the button methods, the on-click events for that stuff. You get one here for the get button, and up above here, the add button. They're button objects, as you can see here. They're retrieved from the activity XML. The enter data is stored in a hash set up here. That's the correct collection because it only allows for unique entries. So I did excellent on that one. The application displays accurate information. It does not. That message you saw just a moment ago is because for some reason the name is not being added to the name list that I use here. So you can't actually just snatch anything out of the hash set by using the index. You have to put it somewhere that you can do that with, or at least that's my train of thought. So we're supposed to iterate through the set, the hash set, and add each item of the hash set into the list. An array list, you can just grab it out. And they're flexible. The array list, you don't have to give it a hard-coded size. So, but it's not working. It crashes. I don't know why. We should be able to snatch out the one entry is at index 0, and it explodes because the array list is empty. So it is stored in the proper thing. I just can't get it back, and that's also why I can't display the accurate information. In fact, I think that's how I broke the list, was when I started to try and get that to work. See, it crashes here when the builder, the alert dialog, goes to fill the text and the list is empty. So that's a 0, obviously. The input field does reset when you enter data, and the index text box also resets. That's this line here, but it crashes before it gets there, so I suppose technically it doesn't actually reset. But other than that and the lateness, that's where I'm at.